Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to know what will be happening on your favorite show Skeem Saam starting from Monday the 24th to Friday the 28th of November 2025, then tune in on this video, because on this video I'll be teasers of those episodes. So let us quickly start with the Monday episode, and this episode now will be airing on the 24th of November 2025, and this is episode number 106. Peterson gets the evidence to not only spite his ex but also bring her to justice. Melita and Fifo air their dirty laundry in public. Clement shares Goloy's good news on social media without his consent. Now this takes us to the Tuesday episode, and this is the 25th of November 2025, episode 107. Kwesi's celebration is cut short when Peterson storms in with shocking accusations. Lehasa's paranoia intensifies as he suspects a friend is conspiring against him. Now on the Wednesday episode, and this episode will be airing on the 26th of November 2025, a young attorney's confidence scrambles as Kwesi's bail battle takes a dramatic twist. Goloy's dream job comes with challenges he never saw coming. Now taking us to the Thursday episode, and this is the episode that will be airing on the 27th of November 2025, episode 109. A livid Kwezikazi fires a young attorney together with her law firm. A mother finds something startling in her daughter's bag. Jabu catches on to Chef Khosi's shenanigans. Now the last episode of the week, and that is the Friday episode, which will be airing on the 28th of November 2025, and this is episode 110. This is how it goes. Kwezikazi is faced with the tough decision of choosing between her freedom and betraying the man she loves. The staff at Level Cafe bid farewell to a beloved colleague. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as I've mentioned before, what you can expect on Skeem Saam starting from Monday the 24th to Friday the 28th of November 2025. So comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So let's engage again on the next video.